first, by the fifth it would vanish. No, I can't afford to be down bad or panic or deal with the damage. I turned to a savage. Daddy had bills to pay, mama had mouths to feed. So I'll do what I gotta do, one day they'll be proud of me. Rags to the riches, survival of the fittest. We're far from finished, so I'm grinding till I'm balling. And I don't plan on stopping. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Came from nothing, now we ballin'. And I don't plan on stopping at all. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. So don't you switch up. Don't you switch up on me. So don't you switch up. Don't you switch up on me, yeah, yeah. Bloodsuckers around me, I don't like no Dracula. Took my life from Earth and I made that spectacular. Gotta protect your energy, everything I spit factual. And I'm tryna build a legacy, still praying for my enemies, yeah, yeah. Came from nothing, now we flexing out in public. I remember going to sleep on empty stomach. Now I got a chef and chauffeur in my budget. And baby, I love it, ooh, baby, I love it. Didn't have much coming up, but we managed. Paid on the first, by the fifth it would vanish. No, I can't afford to be down bad or panic or deal with the damage. I turned to a savage. Daddy had bills to pay and mama had mouths to feed. So I'll do what I gotta do, one day they'll be proud of me. From rags to the riches, survival of the fittest. We're far from finished, so I'm grinding till I'm balling. And I don't plan on stopping. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Came from nothing, now we ballin'. And I don't plan on stopping. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. So don't you switch up. Don't you switch up on me. So don't you switch up. Don't you switch up on me, yeah, yeah. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. From nothing, now we ballin'. And I don't plan on stopping at all. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. So don't you switch up. Don't you switch up on me. So don't you switch up. Didn't have much coming up, but we managed. Paid on the first, by the fifth it would vanish. No, I can't afford to be down bad or panic or deal with the damage. I turned to a savage. Daddy had bills to pay, mama had mouths to feed. So I'll do what I gotta do, one day they'll be proud of me. Rags to the riches, survival of the fittest. We're far from finished, so I'm grinding till I'm balling. And I don't plan on stopping. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Came from nothing, now we ballin'. And I don't plan on stopping at all. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. So don't you switch up. Don't you switch up on me. So don't you switch up. Don't you switch up on me, yeah, yeah. Bloodsuckers around me, I don't like no Dracula. Took my life from Earth and I made that spectacular. Gotta protect your energy, everything I spit factual. And I'm tryna build a legacy, still praying for my enemies, yeah, yeah. Came from nothing, now we flexing out in public. I remember going to sleep on empty stomach. Now I got a chef and chauffeur in my budget. And baby, I love it, ooh, baby, I love it. Didn't have much coming up, but we managed. Paid on the first, by the fifth it would vanish. No, I can't afford to be down bad to a savage. His daddy had bills to pay and mama had mouths to feed. So I'll do what I gotta do, one day they'll be proud of me. From rags to the riches, survival of the fittest. We're far from finished, so I'm grinding till I'm balling. And I don't plan on stopping. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Came from nothing, now we ballin'. And I don't plan on stopping. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. So don't you switch up. Don't you switch up on me. So don't you switch up. Don't you switch up on me, yeah, yeah. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Came from nothing, now we ballin'. And I don't plan on stopping at all. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. So don't you switch up. Don't you switch up on me. So don't you switch up. Didn't have much coming up, but we managed. Paid on the first, by the fifth it would vanish. No, I can't afford to be down bad or panic or deal with the damage. I turned to a savage. His daddy had bills to pay and mama had mouths to feed. So I'll do what I gotta do, one day they'll be proud of me. From rags to the riches, survival of the fittest. We're far from finished, so I'm grinding till I'm ballin'. And I don't plan on stopping. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Came from nothing, now we ballin'. And I don't plan on stopping at all. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. So don't you switch up. Don't you switch up on me. So don't you switch up. Don't you switch up on me, yeah, yeah. Bloodsuckers around me, I don't like no Dracula. Took my life from Earth and I made that spectacular. Gotta protect your energy, everything I spit factual. And I'm trying to build a legacy, still praying for my enemies, yeah, yeah. Came from nothing, now we flexing out in public. I remember going to sleep on empty stomach. Now I got a chef and chauffeur in my budget. And baby, I love it, ooh, baby, I love it. Didn't have much coming up, but we managed. Paid on the first, by the fifth it would vanish. No, I can't afford to be down bad or panic or deal with the damage. I turned to a savage. His daddy had bills to pay and mama had mouths to feed. So I'll do what I gotta do, one day they'll be proud of me. From rags to the riches, survival of the fittest. We're far from finished, so I'm grinding till I'm ballin'. And I don't plan on stopping. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Came from nothing, now we ballin'. And I don't plan on stopping. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. So don't you switch up. Don't you switch up on me. So don't you switch up. Don't you switch up on me, yeah, yeah. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Came from nothing, now we ballin'. And I don't plan on stopping at all. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. So don't you switch up. Don't you switch up on me.
What's good, YouTube? Zoom, can you guys hear me?
Yep, you're good.
Okay, alright. Looks like gold didn't do anything during London session. It's just freaking wow.
Yeah, just range.
And
Probably CPI news, you know.
yeah, we got CPI today. Man, I had this stomach aching. I'm still feeling it right now, but
Oh, damn.
it's not as bad as it was.
Man, I hate stomach aches. They can be crippling.
Oh yeah, barely walking shit, walking like an old man. Good morning, Joe. Morning, Eddie. Vivian. Okay, the freaking today that we have news decided to freaking decided to drop 180 ticks.
Yeah. I was hoping for a maybe possible sell after the news, but not anymore. Looks like they want to sell it right now.
Huh? Hopefully CPI just freaking does this. Oh, here reject.
Oh, yeah.
Take it back down. I think we should come back to this demand again, reject, and continue up. Because we really got this BOS here.
Hmm.
Morning, Francisco. I'll be right back, guys. Gonna make my coffee real quick. I'm gonna go make my coffee real quick. Please take over for me a while.
Oh, yep.
Thank you.
Hmm. Morning, Joe, Vivian, Eddie, DS, Francisco. So, how did London session go for you guys on YouTube? Or Asian session? Or anything? Oh, you took that sell? Nice. Man, this thing should, well, if there wasn't news, man, this thing is coming down. Man, gold's kind of crazy, honestly. Took a sell on Asian session, made like a quick 40 pips in like a minute, and then came back to the charts later and it's like all the way up there and it's like, what the heck? Wow, okay. Took a buy up there, made 30 pips, and now it's back coming back down. It's like, dang, gold can't stay trending.
So far, luck's been on my side.
32, 32. Let me see. 32, 32, Forex, I'm assuming. 32. Ooh, yeah. That'll be good. No, it's probably gonna get to at least 38 on Forex at the very least. Should go deeper. Oh, damn. Man, it's dropped like 80-ish, 90-ish pips. Man, you got out too early, Vivian. You got out too early. Fell from 30 to 62. God damn, 62. Holy moly's, man, you sold the top of that thing. What a sick sell. Yep. Profit is profit at the end of the day. As long as you're not risking your whole account on it, then you're good. Yeah, yeah, Joe. You know it. Whenever you go full size, that shit never goes like, just straight in your direction, non-stop, no pullback. You take a small position and it's like, oh, it's gone, never comes back. And it's like, shit. Man, if anyone's in the sell, should probably take some profit here before the news. It's already tapped in to that lower demand area, lower consolidation zone. Who knows what happens when news comes out? 10 minutes for CPI. They're expecting CPI to be hot, come in high. That should affect indices negatively. Yet the indices are absolutely ripping out of their mind.
Alright, I'm back. Let's see what CPI is gonna do here.
I don't think we're gonna see Edwin today.
One thing I noticed with gold is that recently, after BOS, it's been giving these deeper pullbacks before the continuation.
Yeah. It wants to like immediately stop out breakout traders.
Yeah.
And it'll give like it'll break the high by like 5 pips, 10 pips, and then do like 200 pips the other direction.
7 more minutes to CPI. Okay. Even NQ didn't do anything for London session either.
Yeah.
Man, NQ was freaking, man, stopped us out yesterday and then freaking went all the way back up.
Yeah. I was actually trying to sell it, and man, it just sat there like forever, and I was like, fuck it, just put it at break even and instantly break even, and yeah, whatever.
Thank God you did that, because man, look at that thing, went all the way back up.
Yep. I think gold was doing that same thing, I think. It was just chopping around.
Yeah. And it only makes
Yeah,
sense.
yeah.
It only makes sense for NQ to go back up, because I mean, when we took it, because it grabbed the lows multiple times, then still came back to break it, and guess what? Straight back up.
Yeah. Basically,
Man,
yeah, it's like the buyers just kept buying it in here and then finally make solid resistance and break out back up.
yeah.
Mm.
so sure we were winning that trade yesterday. Yep, that's trading for you.
Mhm.
Got 5 more minutes. What do you guys think is gonna happen with this CPI news? We're going up or we're coming down? Even though we're already coming down here. Is WOW in at 32.38?
Oh, no. I don't trade the news. I never trade the news. Even if you're right, you can lose. It's like it can just spike you out and then go your way. But yeah, it is starting to give a nice reaction off of there. What is that?
There's a nice 30-minute demand there.
Yeah, it could get like a 30 pip bounce.
This one here.
But yeah.
But even if we do go up from here, it's just that we have news. But with that news, I'll be looking for the sell continuation at this point. Down to these lows.
I'm bearish on gold. I think it's gonna crack those lows eventually.
Is daily support at 32.09?
Yeah, I still think gold's heading lower. I've been bearish on it for like a couple weeks now, but it does keep holding the lows. So
I see it coming down to these lows. But I don't see it breaking.
yeah, it might not. Keeps holding it, so it's not broken until it's broken.
The only reason why I see it holding is because of this BOS. And we have that BOS on the 30, on the 1, and on the 4 hour. So
Yeah.
all time frames. So that's why I see it holding.
Makes
But
sense.
we'll see.
Yeah. Ah, 1 minute.
Hey, J. Smith, how you doing?
Oh my god. He's probably max all in long or max all in short. Max sells. All right.
Yep, CPI.
Came in all less than expected. Man, does that mean indices are gonna pump? My God, how much more can it pump? Jesus.
Yep, they're pumping. Yep, indices is popping.
Mm.
Mm-mm-mm. Man, is this all? Is this what CPI is gonna do? Nothing?
All right. Quick 25 pips on gold. Double bottom.
On the tick chart?
No, yeah, tick chart, but just the print order flow thing. So
okay. Yeah, LIG the best channel. Yeah. It has changed, and as traders, we just pretty much need to adapt. And what I've noticed with gold, I said it earlier, now it does not give those short pullbacks. Now it gives deeper pullbacks before continuing. Even liquidity grab setups is freaking turning into losing trades.
that Nasdaq trade, after you like got in it, like after, I don't know, maybe like 10 minutes or whatever, it started to look bad. It was like, it looked okay at first, but then, yeah, they start to hammer it.
Yeah, when it came back down, when it started coming back down with this candle, I'm like, man,
Yeah.
this is not looking good, because this should have just continued. But when it came down and freaking grabbed it again with this candle, I'm like, okay, alright, maybe there's still hope. But I freaking lost hope with this candle.
But that's the market lately. It's like, get a lot of that kind of stuff where it'll just, it wants to hunt those stops where people have their stops.
Yeah. And that was a liquidity grab from a freaking major low of the range.
Yeah.
Just taking liquidity grab setups at a major low or a major high of the first range. Typically those hold more compared to when you take it at a minor low or a minor high. Damn.
Also, it doesn't, it doesn't like wick out the lows and then come out and wick it out again. Because if it wicks it out again, it should just continue.
Yep. Yep. Should continue. Wow. So this is CPI, that's it? This is the move we're gonna get for CPI? Oh, Janice, you won the NQ trade yesterday? Oh, wow. Nice.
Wait, he took your trade and he won? He had no stop loss.
Either he had no stop loss, or he's like, shit, the way the market
No
has been
stop
moving,
loss.
I'm probably gonna put my stop loss at this low here. Oh.
Man, that thing broke the low by like 60 pips or something. This guy had no stop loss.
Janice, you didn't have stop loss in that trade, or you forgot to add your stop loss. It's those 49 farmers fought from South Africa. Oh, your entry was 50 pips lower. Okay, okay.
Still, it broke the low by like 60 pips, man. It's like, I can't believe you would hold that.
Joe said he did a dumb vote.
Exactly. And there was nothing to hold it up. Like, once it broke that level, it was just
Yeah.
clean straight to the bottom.
Going gaps. I'm sure sellers were like, what the hell? This should be falling. Look at these gaps to the left. You got a 30-minute supply here. However, I would like to see this go back to their highs. At least this first 15-minute supply that has not been tapped yet.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know why that says 5 minutes.
When we are apart, I will.
Every time I hear this song, it just be reminding me of those old school movies, like those 1940s movies.
Oh, yeah.
Uh, And it's usually those ones, like the country, the West Side movies,
Hmm.
cowboys.
Man, country has like some very unique, like, you know, a country song instantly the moment you hear it. It's like, that's a country song.
Yeah, it's unique, I guess. Anyone seen Rage in Harlem? No, I haven't seen that. Is that a movie?
Man, I just had to check Discord. It's like Edwin's online on Discord, but he's not here. I swear to God, that guy's probably in the Gideon stream. Crazy too, because I saw Gideon stream and he took a L, and Edwin definitely took it with him. So it's like, man, oh man.
Yeah. Well, I think London session would have been no trade session because I don't see anything doing in London.
Yeah, nothing good.
Oh, that movie is by Forrest. Okay. Let me see. Rage in Harlem. That dude is a very good actor. Man, that's a very old movie. Shit, even Danny Glover is in there. Man, all these people are so old right now. $1991. Yeah, what was I doing in 1991? Shit, I was 6. I don't even remember what I was doing.
Damn, that's a very long time ago. Jesus.
Yeah.
What are we doing, Gold? What are we doing?
Watching porn at 6
Man,
years
I
old.
even,
At 6 years old.
man, I didn't even know what that was back then. Jesus.
Yeah. Would have been magazines then. Nah,
Oh yeah.
I didn't know what that. I didn't know.
It's like that's back in the day, like before the internet really took off.
Yeah. But the point that they had the what do they call them? The video yeah,
Oh,
what's it called?
VHS?
Yeah, VHS.
Jeez, I don't know.
Come on, man, you're not even gonna tap the 30 minute? It's like the moves is like it happens during Asia session and then London and New York just turns to shit. was gonna take these buys yesterday before I went to sleep and send it to you guys. Then again, I'm like, man, I'm too sleepy. Man, you know what? Let me just freaking go to sleep because I might not be thinking straight since I'm sleepy. But shit, it went up.
Yeah.
Cause I didn't sleep all day yesterday until nighttime.
Yeah. Need to get that rest in. Man.
I was watching freaking Game of Thrones. I've been binge watching it, but I finished it yesterday.
Mm. Ah, nice.
Looks
Like
like
honestly, if
looks like Asia will eventually be the peak volume session. Eventually, Middle East and Asia now the kings of the world. Nah, I don't think so.
gonna be New York for the foreseeable future until something crazy happens.
Yeah.
But yeah, you definitely need to get sleep, otherwise your brain can get foggy.
Yeah. What's good, Edwin?
Edwin's here?
Yeah, I just joined.
Took a clap during London. I took a nest sales. She almost gave my TP, and then I went break evens because she drama a lot. So basically, I
Are you
nothing
talking to
do.
us?
Yeah,
Oh.
I took Asian buys. I closed 1-1 because she freaking drama again. And then she actually went like 1-4.
Oh, okay.
At least you caught a
Asian
win.
buy was here, Asian buy, and I closed it like I think roughly here because she's struggling here. Took 1-1, and then I took buy here during London. I got clapped.
Oh,
Yeah, I think it's just the CPI volume. London doesn't have volume.
On the bright side, you got a win in there.
Yeah, I mean like all of them actually, like the last two trades on the London, she gave me like 50%, but I won 1-1. My nest went like 75% too, almost 1-1, which is sad. Like 10 more pips.
Oh, mute Gideon. Let's be playing songs.
Yeah. I'm setting up right now. I just got home.
Oh, okay.
He's setting up, but he's already got Gideon on before he even comes here.
Nah, I need to grab my headphones and all. Right, I'm back. Oh, so King, did you get anything? London.
Gonna take a power nap, wake me up in 30 minutes.
Wow, this is really not gonna do shit, eh?
Yeah, let's look at that.
Is Kildebeat here? Yeah, he's here. So VWAP is going dead sideways and it's sitting on top of VWAP right now. Well, someone needs to remember this because Kildebeat just said he vows today, going forward, he will embrace all indicators. I don't know how long this will actually last. Even Nasdaq is dead. Oh, yeah. Just chopping. Hmm. Damn. Is it gonna break down from here?
Damn, I can't believe he's about to do it. Didn't even.
Waiting to sell.
I didn't even tap the. I didn't even tap the 30-minute yet.
Nope. It did reject the value area high of New York session yesterday, but shit, come on, we got CPI news. Should fucking blast through that shit.
Mm.
Hard to buy during London. Hopefully that's a win. Because I saw Lucian and Edwin, they also bought London, but they did not win.
Oh, they send it to school? Oh. Oh, Lucian used this demand here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was fooled by this move. And then
I get the feeling I might have. I don't know. I can't. I don't know. Maybe I bought like where your stop loss was or something. I don't know. Yeah. I think I probably like bought like around here. Then yeah. Right near the low of that consolidation.
Oh. Even Nasdaq is dead. Man. I swear
That's crazy.
this Trump time this time around, I don't freaking know, man. Market is so shitty.
Look at this New York price action yesterday. And
Oh man, that was New York. Ah, Jesus Christ. Man, that's
I
fucked.
think now waiting for the lower demand, it's the way to go.
Yeah, that's what has been happening.
Yeah.
Like
On
if
NAS,
you have
NAS
a
also.
yep, if you have a break of structure, the first demand that broke that structure will be will be will be the one. The first one or the one before that. If it creates another one after it breaks, that one has not been holding.
Yeah. It will have a bit of reaction and then come down to the
Yeah,
stops and aim for the second one.
yeah.
Oh, you know what? This right here is a gold trade we took like like a week or two back, where it just broke the high, came down like 200 pips, and then fucking straight back up 220 pips like in an hour later.
Yeah.
Yesterday I catch the second buy on NAS. Was a win, but lose in London.
Wow.
Man, I want to hold it, but because the speech was good and was a 5-minute entry, but yeah, let's see.
Yeah.
And it will range here till later and then come here, and the last 2 hours of the session will be the trade.
Yeah, that's
That's
crazy.
another thing. It's like once it starts looking all, ugly and choppy, like wait for it to clean itself up, make a big clean move, then you can take that. Or you wait for this and then you can take that. It's like wait for that clean move and then maybe you can take that kind of thing.
Yeah,
Like,
that's exactly what's been happening, and we got to adapt.
yep. It's like even with my like super tight entries, it's like I'm just closing out. I'm like, fuck it, just it doesn't even hit TP. Fuck it, I'm out. I know this thing's gonna come back. It's gonna try to break even me, wick me out or shit. And then there's that day where I was like fucking like I don't know, like maybe 80 pips in profit and came all the way down, wicked me out, and then that was the one that you took the buys and then dropped another 200 pips, and it's like, man, yo-yo fest.
Mhm. Mm.
And this month, till now, man, I'm in red.
Ah, damn.
When did you start trading this month?
I think last week.
Last week. When day was that?
Monday, I think. Man, when the losing streak begin.
Oh yeah, even last
If
week.
I knew it, I stay one more week in vacation. It will it will be cheaper.
Yeah.
Oh, God, I know that feeling.
Yeah, last week was a losing week for me too. Except for the previous week. But man, last week was shitty. Yep, 5. Yep, last week was the 5th. The previous week, which was 28 to the 2nd, was good. Oh man. Shit CPI, Trump Twitter moves the market more. I'm telling you.
Nowadays, it just really seems just luck. It's just impossible. I don't
Yeah.
know.
Before, when you have news events like CPI, FOMC, NFP, you'll be expecting to see big moves.
In a certain direction, isn't it?
Yeah. Now it just doesn't happen anymore.
Now it chops you up first. Right.
Gilderbeat says definitely not luck. Well, I'm very lucky lately, so I don't know.
Like luck can be like the time that you enter a trade. You know, you could enter it, a couple of minutes later than before, and you don't get chopped. Just depends.
But no, it's definitely not luck. It's like
For me, it is anyway.
I even
Like I should have stayed
posted
in bed
my.
sometimes.
The only thing I will say in regards to that is I feel like sometimes there could be luck involved. Like for example, when you're in a trade and you're just in that thing, it keeps it's going your way, and then as soon as it hits your TP, the thing just went the other way, and then if you had still been in the trade,
That's luck,
you would
yeah.
have lost. I see that part as luck.
I was just gonna say, like, I posted the trades I took today on the school, and you'll see it's not luck.
Which one?
Both of them. You can see I
Yeah,
entered, I had
yeah,
no drawdown, and I'm out of the trade in like a minute.
I agree. Luck has nothing to do with trading, but like with the example I gave earlier, I feel
Oh,
like
yeah.
Yeah, that's
sometimes.
fine. Yeah.
But as far as you doing your analysis, you took the trade. Nah, that's luck is not involved. You still need the knowledge.
Yeah.
No.
And sometimes the fact that your TP was where it was is a let's say a lucky thing, whereas maybe somebody might have wanted to hold it a bit longer, just a little bit longer. Then they didn't get it.
And you could
But,
be
yeah.
you could be unlucky too. You're in the trade, bam, they come
Mm.
get to your stop loss as soon as it gets stopped out, bam, reverses and starts going your way.
Yeah.
Oh man.
But, it's like
Yeah,
the second trade that I took, I even wrote down, it's like, hey, I had the 50 pip TP. It was like a 1 to 5 RR trade, and I closed it out at 33 pips for like 1 to 3 because the volume just wasn't there, and it looked like it was going to roll over. And as soon as I closed it, literally like 30 seconds later, it just came straight down and flushed the lows. So it's like,
man. Because as retail traders, everything we do is pretty much out of our control. We don't control this.
Yeah.
the big players control it. We just tagging along. Yep, pretty much.
Yeah. Unless you're down bow and you go 270 lots deep, then you're moving the market. Moving the market straight to your stop loss.
Yep. Like after I did some, analysis yesterday, and I looked back at what has been going on with gold so far, I'm like, man, okay. Now I'm only gonna be looking at, for example, I'm looking for a demand setup. I'll be looking at the major demand and the minor demand that broke the highs. Depending on what the structure is. And that's why I don't even have I don't even have more than one demand right now, so you can see.
Yeah, it's not worth it.
If I'm to add one more demand, it's going to be this one.
Yeah, exactly this. I was looking also.
That's it. But
Yeah,
looking at this, it should come down to this same 1 hour demand.
but Kildabet, if you work from the extremes, you will call yourself an extremist, right?
Where's the pie stars? Is Pie here? I don't think Pie is here yet.
No. He's on
Vacation.
holiday.
Oh, yeah, I forgot.
Well, his kids is in vacation. He's a nanny.
Yes.
Also, I've noticed, looking at the order flow, I can see on gold, a lot of times when it makes a move, it leaves gaps, all over the place, and then it wants to fill it, so you'll just see the candle yo-yo back and forth. It'll flip bullish and bearish repeatedly, and it's just going back and forth over the gap, and it keeps creating gaps, and it's man, unstable.
Think it's time to light the fire, roll one up and crack open a bottle of rum. Damn. Weed and a bottle of rum? Shit.
I've never had rum. Is rum any good? Does it have some sort of unique taste?
Yeah, it's very good.
I don't even know. I don't drink that much.
Yeah, I don't really like alcohol. Like I said, beer sucks. Beer tastes awful.
Shame on you.
But we can have a smoke session though.
Breaking down from here, right?
These are the two demands that we're looking at for NAS right now. Wow, you gotta be kidding me.
Yeah.
Yeah, gold likes bad jokes nowadays.
Now, I would not be surprised if it takes out this low, which it just did, and
I
it
go back up,
retraces
huh?
back. Yeah, because on this move down, I see gaps. So I don't want to sell it because I'm like, man, if I sell this shit, fucking, it's gonna come up like 70 pips.
Gold, goldy, goldy, goldy.
I think because for the last month and last year the gold was so bullish. That's why the first demand working so good, because it was so bullish. Sometimes it didn't touch the, like if you have a demand here, gold will touch it and then fly another 200 pips. But now it like to go from the lows to the extreme.
Yeah.
What about mushrooms, man? Mushrooms. I've only tried that shit once when I lived in Vegas. Never again.
Man, I
Never
love
again.
mushrooms. I have mushrooms all the time. I saute that shit,
No.
breadcrumb that shit, deep fry it. Oh,
Nope.
it's delicious.
It's not, no, not the mushrooms we're talking about.
Yeah, he talk about Super Mario mushrooms. They go bigger if you eat one.
That's not the mushrooms Janice is talking about. Man, mushroom took me to where I've never been before. I said, nah. I was
Where?
seeing
In Romania?
I, I was seeing stars, seeing freaking lion, elephant. Like, what the hell? Nah.
And you see what I mean by gold? It's like it left the gap and it goes right back up into it. It's like crazy.
Typical gold lately.
Hmm. Oh my god. They're gonna try to run the sellers out. 10 minutes NYSE.
People selling from here needs to be clapped.
Right, gap's been filled. Let's see. Let's see if they continue selling.
Alright, Joe. Take care.
And Joe probably said, fuck this, man. It is ridiculous.
Shit. Can't blame me.
Nope.
At NYSE in 9 minutes. So while please take over for me. I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick.
Yeah. Definitely don't take any trade, guys.
And you'll see If I go, let me see if we. See what we got to do.
I'm sure there's plenty of supply up there, but as far as indices go, they don't give a fuck at the moment. Why? Yeah, gold's going straight up. Straight back up. That's rude. That's pretty fucking rude, gold. Now that's come this high up, you gotta imagine it's gonna run everyone's stops above this consolidation. This is probably where like Gidwin would take a sell and then he'd run their stops and I'd take the buy, hunting their stop losses. Oh, sorry, Giddywin. That sounds so much more funny. 3 minutes. Here we go. Let's see.
Alright, is NYSE. What's good doing? Ah, nothing. Hmm. Gold came down again to grab the lows. Hmm. Hmm. Man.
so happy you're mine. I know that it's real this time. And I'll still be there when you're old, holding your hands if they're cold. I will take good care of you if you take care of me. Nothing else in this pretty world is quite so important to me. No, my darling,
Oh, epidemic sounds. I should get that.
Well, it's not gonna pull back, eh? Fantastic.
Not pulling back right now. No news events tomorrow. Then Thursday, yeah, PPI and retail sales. Friday, consumer sentiments.
What's gold do? Man, still sideways. Jesus. Great.
Yeah, gold is still sideways. Still sideways.
Man, gold sideways. Nas doesn't want to pull back. This is. This is terrible. Crazy. Oh. Well, time to take a power nap, I guess. See what happens in like 30 minutes.
Man, I was really expecting gold to give a sell setup.
It made sense with the CPI news, right? It's like spike it up.
Yep. Can't even tap the 1 hour supply either. Oh, it did. So it's rejecting of the 1 hour. Ooh.
This month I wanted to increase my risk I'm glad I didn't increase it. That's not the right month.
Good thing you didn't.
It will still be a good month. It might not be a lot, but
Yeah,
we can still finish in profit.
one good weekend.
Just gotta wait or log off. Yep.
Man, not lying.
Technically, I could log off. Got 3 wins, 1 break even.
Or I've not taken nothing today.
Yeah, you gotta be itching.
I mean, I'm not necessarily itching. If it starts going to, I don't know, man. Oh, we should close above this rejection that we have. We close above that. 15-minute closes above as well. See if this demand here will be the one to close above this rejection, kinda. Fall from this 1 hour. Wait for the buys.
Oh, gold's breaking. Huh. Interesting. Would have thought they would have ran those highs.
The 30-minute would have been perfect if it got there, but it didn't. Oh. I'll wait for the buys. It keeps coming down. See if Nasdaq's gonna give something. Just want us to close, at least close above 21.065. Even if it does not, I'll still use that demand, but I would like to see it close above. Oh man. gold grab the lows again. Maybe it's gonna fall this time.
Crazy.
Yeah. So I think so too.
Pull back,
No.
Nas. Straight down. Oh my god, it's not gonna do it. Okay, there we go. Good job, Nas. I'm done trading.
It's just, man, too much going on.
Man, Kildebeat's so rude. He hopes people trying to still sell gold are gonna get clapped. That is just rude.
I
You should
mean,
be more positive.
looking at it now though, it should drop, but
Now it's a sell.
I'm not taking it. I'ma just wait to see how we react to this demand.
I caught like a quick 20 pips on Nas, and man, I'm glad I got out because that thing ain't dropping. It's like they keep holding it, like right up against the highs. They just keep holding it. It's crazy.
Yeah, rejected off of a 1 hour supply, but I don't trust it.
I don't trust anything right now. Everything looks sus.
Especially after what this candle did.
Yeah.
Let's look at this on the 15. You know some freaking heavy buyers got in here.
Like in your head, you think like for sure it's gonna pull back. It has to pull back, but then it just won't pull back.
Even if it starts falling now, shit, rejection over here, I'm taking that shit. Except if it breaks the low. Oh man. Oh, it's falling now. Oh.
Oh man, this market. Man, I knew it. I knew Nas was gonna pop that shit. They just could not sell it. They kept trying, they could not do it.
That's why I said with the way this candle freaking flipped and closed under 15 minutes, they wanted to go higher.
Yeah.
And it didn't tap this demand before it did the move up, so see, maybe we would do it once this candle closes. Oh, it might just be no trade day. No, not yet. Skip a bit. Not yet.
If there's a chance for Kildebeat to tell you to log off, he'll do it. He'll be like, "Hey, it's looking a bit choppy. You gonna log off?"
If you can turn my computer off right now, you would. He said facts.
Uh, Man, that's crazy. Couldn't even get a tiny little pullback on Nas. So, Edwin, what's happening over there in Gideon Land?
Nah, nothing. We just chilling. There's no setups.
Oh, okay. I thought Gideon might have tried to take a sell or something.
Nah, this range is just consolidating. It's nothing to take.
Yeah. Oh, fair enough. That actually makes a lot of sense. Killerbeat said he doesn't like being disrespected by the market, and this price action is disrespectful. So yeah, that makes a lot of sense.
That's true. It is disrespectful. You ain't sales on go. Yeah, it should come down for you. The 1 hour supply is good enough. Still a supply that broke the lows. So I just like the 30 or in fact I like this 15-minute supply better. But she decided not to get there.
Damn, Nas is gone. Gold.
It might still pull back.
Yeah, it might pop back tomorrow.
If it does pull back to this 15-minute demand though, it should go all the way back up to this supply. That high.
Man, it looks like Nas might go up forever. It looks like a short squeeze, like, man, where it just never pulls back, and then retail traders try to top ticket, and it just keeps going forever. Yep, trying to sell the high. It's a miracle I caught 20 pips on the sell. It's a miracle. Man, I want to like fucking get like a prop firm account and just like hit the buy button and see what happens.
Sure. I took buys on US 30. Alright. Gold is probably gonna be a late setup. I know Nas the same.
Gold is never good to take a late setup. Volume falls off too hard.
About 8,200 ticks away from the demand.
Nas, at least it has the afternoon volume.
Yeah.
What's ES? US 500. ES is the futures name.
Yeah, that is S&P.
I don't know why they call it ES. Doesn't even make sense.
At least Nasdaq is easier
Yeah,
because it's still
NQ.
NQ. Yeah. Even gold on futures, I don't know why they call it GC.
Yeah. Oh yeah, gold contract.
Oh, gold contract. Yep. The
Yeah,
current,
Nas.
the currency ones, that it makes no sense at all.
Oh yeah, they're super crazy.
Yeah.
It's like 6B and like
6A.
yeah. What the hell's going on?
Even US oil or crude oil is CL. I wonder what the
Oh
L,
yeah.
L stands for.
Yeah.
I think natural gas is NG.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah. What's that one doing? NG.
Does it move only during New York session?
I don't know actually. I wonder. Yeah, this should be the contract. Or am I looking at the wrong one? Let me look at this one. Okay.
Yes. Contract. NGM5 should be the current one.
Yeah, June, right? But it
Yep.
looks.
Oh, it looks terrible.
Yeah, it looks terrible. That should be June, but look at that. But this one
Yeah.
looks better.
Yeah, Nas is never gonna stop. It's gonna keep popping. Every time it breaks the high that it makes, it just pops. Sellers are non-stop selling it, and they're getting run out.
This NG does not look bad. See how volatile this thing is.
Yeah, look at how much it moves. Like, do you
This
see
is
that?
just like
That's.
50, almost 60 ticks.
But look at the percentage. Look how much that is.
Oh shit, 1.60.
Right?
Wow.
Yeah, like in a day, this thing can move like up to 10% in a day.
Wow. No wonder some futures traders like to trade it.
Yeah. So I bet like just one contract is probably worth a shit ton because of how much it moves percentage wise.
Probably. Yeah, Nasdaq's not gonna come back until later.
Yeah.
Oh shit, it might just keep going.
It looks like it. Keeps fucking running the highs over and over.
Wouldn't it be crazy after gold freaking did this move and then it goes back up here again? We eject and start falling again. Oh man. Oh.
Man, it's gold reversing. Oh wow, that's a pretty strong move off the low that it made.
Yep.
Oh man.
Yeah, nice. This is not gonna come back.
Yeah, it keeps squeezing higher. That's crazy.
I'ma
what we
just,
can
I'ma
do?
just call it.
Yeah.
Alright, YouTube, I appreciate you all. All links is in the description. So, we'll be back again tomorrow. Hopefully, we'll catch it set up. So, God bless you guys. See you guys tomorrow. Zoom, I'm gonna see you guys during London session.
All right. Thanks, Abe.
I'm gonna keep paying attention to Nas though. So if I see
Oh,
something, I take something, I will send it to you guys on school. So
sounds good.
alright guys, see you guys later. Peace out guys.
Didn't have much coming up, but we didn't have much coming up, but we managed. Paid on the first, by the fifth it would vanish. No, I can't afford to be down bad or panic or deal with the damage. I turned to a savage. Daddy had bills to pay and mama had mouths to feed. So I'll do what I gotta do, one day they'll be proud of me. From rags to the riches, survival of the fittest. We're far from finished, so I'm grinding till I'm balling. And I don't plan on stopping. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Came from nothing, now we ballin'. And I don't plan on stopping at all. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. So don't you switch up. Don't you switch up on me. So don't you switch up. Don't you switch up on me, yeah, yeah. Bloodsuckers around me, I don't like no Dracula. Took my life from Earth and I made that spectacular. Gotta protect your energy, everything I spit factual. And I'm trying to build a legacy, still praying for my enemies, yeah, yeah. Came from nothing, now we flexing out in public. I remember going to sleep on empty stomach. Now I got a chef and chauffeur in my budget. And baby, I love it, ooh, baby, I love it. Didn't have much coming up, but we managed. Paid on the first, by the fifth it would vanish. No, I can't afford to be down bad or panic or deal with the damage. I turned to a savage. Daddy had bills to pay and mama had mouths to feed. So I'll do what I gotta do, one day they'll be proud of me. From rags to the riches, survival of the fittest. We're far from finished, so I'm grinding till I'm balling. And I don't plan on stopping. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Came from nothing, now we ballin'. And I don't plan on stopping. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. So don't you switch up. Don't you switch up on me. So don't you switch up. Don't you switch up on me, yeah, yeah. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. From nothing, now we ballin'. And I don't plan on stopping at all. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. So don't you switch up. Don't you switch up on me. So don't you switch up. Didn't have much coming up, but we managed.